Hey there! You've clicked on this video, which means you're probably feeling a bit under the weather or maybe taking care of someone who is, Nausea and vomiting are just not a good time for anyone. Now, before we dive in, remember, I'm not a doctor, and this advice is not a substitute for professional medical advice. But I do have some potentially helpful tips on how to stop vomiting at home. Let's dive in, shall we? But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! We'll start with an approach validated by a clinical trial from the lovely folks over at King's College London back in 2017. They found that the simple act of controlled breathing could help to reduce nausea. Breathe in slow, steady breaths through your nose, hold it in for a few seconds, then breathe out slowly through your mouth. Easy peasy, right? Now, practice this. Another effective step you could try, based on a 2015 review done by the University of Rochester Medical Center, is hydrating. Drink small amounts of clear liquids. This could be water, broth, or drinks like sports drinks that contain electrolytes. Just remember not to drink too quickly. Little sips, folks, little sips. Now, onto ginger. According to the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, this spicy root has been used for thousands of years to treat nausea and vomiting. You can add it to your tea, munch on some ginger candies, or even drink ginger ale. Just remember, moderation is key. Don't go eating a whole ginger root. Here's a fun fact from the National Institutes of Health. Did you know that the scent of lemons could help reduce the feeling of nausea? So try sniffing a fresh lemon or adding a few drops of lemon essential oil to a handkerchief and take a whiff whenever you feel the nausea creeping up. And finally, rest. It's as simple as it sounds. Just lay down, close your eyes, and give your body a chance to recover. The Mayo Clinic published a study in 2018 recommending rest as an effective way to help the body recover from bouts of vomiting. Now that we've got these covered, if you found these tips useful or have your own to share, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends. You never know who it might help.